Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a pipe chase to a cabinet. In your most recent cabinet catalog, right-click on the cabinet that you're wanting to add and go into its attributes. Once in the attributes of the cabinets, we will go to add-ons. This is a base cabinet, so we'll open up base modification and then go into the interior door and drawer front modifications. Once in the interior door and drawer front modifications, we're going to select the pipe chase modification. You will notice that this modification is currently not showing correctly in the 2020 visuals. We recommend going into the Notes tab and noting where you are needing that pipe chase. So on this example, we are noting that the pipe chase is on the right back corner, 6 inches wide and 12 inches deep. We also recommend that you send in a detailed drawing to Omega with your order. Hit apply and OK to save the modifications. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!